A very good afternoon to all those students of class 10th. Today we are going to complete the remaining part of the chapter, the 100 dresses from your first flight book, chapter number 5. So before this I have sent you 4 videos and I hope you remember it, what happened in those videos and what were the situation. I have already told you that mostly the story moves around 3 characters: Wanda, Petronsky, Peggy and Maddie. Wanda Petronsky, she is from Poland and she has come to United States, and other girls make fun of her because of her strange name. Here one aspect comes out that Maddie, who is the friend of Peggy, doesn't like that there should be any fun made of Wanda, but Peggy constantly does. Peggy constantly tease her by by asking her that how many dresses do you have, how many shoes do you have. So this was the thing. At some point Maddie wants to oppose Peggy not to do such kind of things, but she says that in future she can be at the place of Wanda, so she stops herself and does nothing. So now let's move to the next paragraph. As for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived up on Boggins Heights and stood alone in the schoolyard. Means Wanda, who used to live in Boggins Height and stood alone in the schoolyard, and she did not have any friend, and she used to sit in the second last row where boys used to sit. So she did not have any friend. She scarcely ever said anything to anybody. Wanda was the girl who did not talk to anybody, and almost she remained silent. The only time she talked was in the school yard about her 100 dresses. When only single time she spoke something, when Peggy asked her that how many dresses she had, and she answered, I have 100 dresses. The only time she spoke. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, pale blue and colored trimming. इस दौरान मैडी को याद है कि उसने वेंडा ने बताया था कि उसके पास एक ऐसी ड्रेस है, किस कलर की है? पेल ब्लू, मीन्स हल्के से ब्लू कलर की, विद कलर्ड ट्रिमिंग्स. कलर्ड ट्रिमिंग्स, उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे फीते लगे हुए हैं अलग अलग कलर के, जो डेकोरेट करने के लिए ड्रेसेस को लगाते हैं. एंड शी रिमेंबर्ड अनदर दैट वॉज ब्रिलियंट जंगल ग्रीन, एंड शी ऑल्सो रिमेंबर दैट Wanda told her that she had a jungle green color dress with red sash. रेड सैश का मतलब जिसके ऊपर लाल रंग की पट्टियां लगी हुई थी. एंड what she said, you would look like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in pretended admiration. Pretended admiration means they were admiring Wanda, saying that you will look like a Christmas tree when you wear that dress. But this admiration was pretended, means to say it was not real. They just making fun of her. Thinking about Wanda and her 100 dresses all lined up in the closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. Now the new scene comes. What is the scene? That a drawing and coloring contest was to be organized in school, and thinking about Wanda's 100 dresses which are lined up in closet, जो अलमारी में संभाल के रखी हुई हैं, Maddie began to wonder. Wonder means think. Maddie began to wonder means she started thinking that who was going to win the drawing. कि ये ड्राइंग कंपटीशन जो होने वाला है वो कौन जीतेगा. So here you can see this word wonder. It means think. Who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest? For girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses, and for boys of designing motorboats. Two different tasks were given to boys and girls. Girls' job was what? They were asked to design dresses and color them, and boys were given the task to design motorboats. So both had different topics to draw on. Probably Peggy would win the girls' medal. She says she thinks that Peggy is the brilliant student of the class, one of the well-known student of the class, and she is going to win the girls' medal. Peggy drew better than anyone else in the room. She knows that Peggy is a very good Peggy's drawing is very good and nobody is there who can compare her. At least that's what everybody thought. ये सिर्फ उसी की सोच नहीं थी. Everybody was thinking that Peggy is going to win the girls' medal. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star's head so that you could almost tell who it was. मतलब उसका ऐसा सोचना इसलिए भी है बिकॉज पैगी की जो ड्राइंग थी वो इतनी अच्छी थी कि वो किसी मैगजीन से किसी फिल्म स्टार का फेस ड्रॉ कर देती थी और लोग बता सकते थे कि ये कौन सी फिल्म स्टार है. ओह, मैडी वॉज श्योर पैगी वुड विन. मीन्स शी वॉज श्योर इनफ दैट पैगी इज गोइंग टू विन द मेडल. वेल, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winner, then they would know. Means next day the results are to be declared. The next day it was drizzling. Drizzling means a very light rain. A very light rain was falling. Next day it was a rainy day. Means it was raining lightly. Maggie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. Peggy के umbrella एक सिंगल अम्ब्रेला था जिसमें दोनों स्कूल के लिए जल्दी जल्दी आ रही हैं. नेचुरली ऑन अ डे लाइक दिस दे डिड नॉट वेट फॉर वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की. नेचुरली आज उन्होंने वेट नहीं किया. किसका? वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की का. अदरवाइज वो क्या करती हैं? दे वेट फॉर वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की ऑन द कॉर्नर ऑफ ओलिवर ट्री. नहीं तो वो क्या करती हैं कि जब भी वो स्कूल आती हैं तो ओलिवर स्ट्रीट के पास वो वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की का वेट करती हैं. किस लिए? टू मेक फन ऑफ हर. द स्ट्रीट दैट फार फार अवे अंडर द रेल रोड ट्रैक्स एंड अप द हिल लेट द बॉगिन्स हाइट. शी टेल्स कि जो यहां से ओलिवर स्ट्रीट से जो सड़क दूर जाती है रेलवे ट्रैक के नीचे से, वो सीधी सड़क कहां पे जाती है? बॉगिन्स हाइट पे. Anyway, they weren't taking chances on being late today because today was important. Why it was important? Because their results were to be declared by the class teacher. Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. Oh, I hope so. The minute we get in, said Maddie. Of course, you will win, Peg. She means Maddie is asking, she is saying that Peg means Peggy, you are going to win it. Hope so, said Peggy eagerly. उसने कहा हाँ, ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, काश मैं जीत जाऊं.